This town has been through a lot in the past year, including the death of one of those cancer patients. But the hard work continues and answers are being found.
One of the patients did pass away in August, so of course, that was very difficult.
Will Allred, one of 4 boys diagnosed with leukemia in the Fruithurst community, died on August 17th. Principal Christy Hyatt at Fruithurst Elementary, where Allred was a recent graduate, said it was hard to lose him.
I've dealt with the emotional aspect of this by immersing myself in the research.
Hyatt has led the charge to find out why Allred and 7 others in her community were diagnosed with cancer in the first place.
Every spare minute that I have, I'm emailing with the professors, talking to them on the phone, planning out our next tests. There's people in the community that have helped tremendously with the testing too. We talk a lot through text and email, phone calls, so it's a constant.
Working with a rural sociologist and a geochemist at Auburn University and a geological scientist at Alabama, Christy Hyatt and a host of trained volunteers tested 26 water samples and 16 soil samples.
Chain of custody records. This research takes extensive amounts of time.
But it's paying off. They've made discoveries about the groundwater, and she and the scientists she's been working with are preparing to present those findings to the community.
To educate the community on EPA standards, what's allowed in water, what shouldn't be in water, what the levels mean.
And she said after the meeting, the research will continue.
It's not the end, just to make some discoveries. How do we correct it, and what do we do next to help prevent so much cancer in our area? Because there's more than just 8 cases. Like I said, there's other types of cancer, a lot. So, are there connections to those cancers also?
Now, the meeting where all of that information will be presented will be held right here at the Fruithurst Elementary School on January 30th at 6 p.m. In Fruithurst, James McConaughey, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.